Okay, this is it. All except for crown molding, which will be at the top of the cabinets. Got these copper finished lights. Got an island here. And Zoe wants to bark about it. A little nook table, a little coffee bar next to it. See, it's got the drawers here and more storage. Quartz countertop. These are quartz as well. With the subway tile, it's called beveled. It's got like a little beveled finish with the gray grout. This is a light we chose to go over the sink. Got a nice lazy Susan here. And this one does the same thing. I think that's it, folks. I love the details in the legs. He also added the trim to the bottom just like it is on the walls here. Did the same thing with the island. Added 2 outlets, one on each end. Of course, it's got the soft closing drawers. Zoe hears noises. And the floors were done with a little LVP. So, hey.